Hello guys, once more in this video I'm going to show you how to convert variables from one format to another. Actually what you're going to do is just convert whatever you have entered in the text box to convert them back to that and put them in the variable. So that's what I'm going to show you right now. So in the same project, all I've just added is just some small improvement. I've just added this statement. This statement will be executed after everything here has been executed. So in case there is no error, this message will appear, and if there is an error which will be caught in between here, let's say I have this code, I have another line here, I have another line here, I have another line. So in case an error is found in this line, this code, the rest of the code won't be executed and this code will be executed. So this will be the last message to appear when everything is okay. So it's just for assuring you that everything went fine instead of just answering for yourself. So let's start doing it. So let's get our legs on the pedal. So what I'm going to do, I want to convert each and every value which has been entered in the assignment and cut and final test and convert them into integer variable. Then whatever I've just changed is the total. Let's say total can be decimal in case let's say you have decimal points. So let's our total be decimal, though actually you will not find a decimal because there is no at any time integers will and then generate a decimal value, not unless they are, let's say, doing some division where you're getting the quotient. So as long as it's total, you don't have, you'll never find the decimal, but I've just done it that way for illustration. So or let's say this final can be a decimal here. So now I can get to code. So what I'm going to do, I want to convert the values which has been entered in our text boxes. So for assignment, this is just text txt assignment. For cut, txt cut. For final text txt test. Then for total, it's txt total. So the variables are for assignment, int assignment, it's an integer. For cut, it's int cut as integer. Then for final, it's dec final as decimal. Then for total, it's dec total as decimal. So also I've added one more thing. In this part it was just exemption, so I've added to be more specific. Format exemption. So now we will know that we are dealing with a format exemption, like conversion of this data from this format to the other. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start converting images. So just to convert, it's just a simple statement, by the way. So I want to convert the value entered here in this to fit in this. So I'll say int assignment will be equals to integer dot parse, then I'll open my parentheses, then you can see the parameter which is just required here is the value as string. So I'll just use this, the default one. So it's txt assignment dot text. Then I'll close this thing. So what's just happening, it's getting the value which has been entered in our text box. You can remember how we were getting these values, and then it's passing it to this assignment. So the other way is int cut is equals to integer, just same thing, dot parse. So now the value entered in the cut text box, just that. Then for the decimal, let's say dec, so no way, the final will be equals to decimal dot parse txt final txt text test. Then for total, txt tested text, so that just a small error misspelling. Then for total, you don't have to convert total because you aren't receiving it from any text box. Actually, what you'll be going to do is just putting the total into the text box. So with that, you have seen how you can convert decimal and variable. So now we can decimal and integer. So we can now try to run our program and see this thing. So don't forget, everything is happening after you click the calculator button. So, and actually I've set this button to be accept button, so instead of keeping saying instead of clicking, I can just press enter. So if I start my program now and I start entering the values, so I have my form here, so I don't have to enter anything in the name. So I can put this as 45, this other one it's 23, this other one let's say 45, and press enter. Test. I mean, great bro, you made it. So let me use something else here. Let's say I add some text here, John, and I add something here, 45. I say calculate. You see, sorry bro, that was bad bro. So it's because this one, it's a string. These are numbers, and numbers, these are letters, and letters, there will be no anytime, not unless in another universe, or maybe I don't know when, maybe in aliens planets. If you come from an alien planet, that's where letters can be converted to number. But in this one, you can never convert a letter to a number, not unless you are getting the ask code for it. But we are not doing it we are not doing it here. So I'll just enter a number and everything is okay. So whatever it's telling us is everything has been converted and everything has been taken care of. Good work, great programmer. You're gonna sell this for millions. So that's simply how you convert this thing. So it's as simple as that. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to do some calculations, but before that I'll show you how to display the values from the variables and display them in a message box. Just it will be simple and cool. So please like this video, subscribe, visit us on Facebook, like our page, subscribe on our YouTube channel, say hi on the website. Thank you.